Trailers wanted to show you guys a 6x12 we have in stock. This one is brand new 2019 Cargo Craft again 6x12, and this trailer is your dual purpose unit. It is set up with AC power, insulation, and windows. This one is in a black blackout package. You guys can see you do have that nice black diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and the V-nose guard, as well as a triple tube tongue, and it is an extended tongue giving you guys a better turning radius. Side door does have double lock protection on it with the RB lock and cam bar. And then you guys can see you do have windows and one of the recessed LED party lights here off this side. 3,500 pound axle. You do have aluminum wheels with this unit as well. And with that power package, it's going to give you guys an exterior GFI outlet located right next to that side door. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back, so you guys can fold those down when it's just sitting like this, not hooked up, and it won't tip and pivot on you. You also have a rear ramp door with a spring assist close. Black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb, ties everything in nicely together. And then you guys also have two LED spot load lights here off the back as well, so you'll have some great light at night. Get you guys a good shot of here. 6'6" interior height with this unit, insulated walls, insulated ceiling, and a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Also, you have the awesome performance Nudo floor with Dry Maxx, which is what you guys are looking at right here. Super durable on top, and underneath is Dry Maxx, which does not absorb the water or moisture. That's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so it's going to give you guys a much better floor than just your standard wood floor. 4 D-rings for tie-down points, again 6'6" interior height. 2 18x44 slider windows with screens across from each other right there. These are tinted windows. You guys can lock them, you can open up the screens, or obviously use the screens, so very versatile there. 3 LED interior puck lights, which are these little guys that you're looking at, and those are all wired to that battery. So up here in the front, you guys will probably see that battery with the box and the battery charger. That's going to run all these exterior lights as well as these 3 interior pucks. So you guys don't have to be plugged into a vehicle or a generator to be able to get some light. And then we also have 2 4-foot overhead LEDs, which are those guys right there. Those are going to run when you're plugged in with your 30 amp service. So that box there to the left with the cord, you guys can take that, pop it right through the floor, go into your generator or a campground, however you're going to power up the trailer. And that's going to turn on, again, those 4-foot LEDs for you. It's going to power up that AC unit with a heat strip as well, giving you guys climate control. And then we've got all the light switches there. The one here in the back is to turn on these spot load lights. You guys can drop that ramp immediately, get some light. The other ones by the side door up there to work those pucks, as well as that exterior party light. So give you guys some different options. 4 interior outlets. We've got 2 there and 2 more up front, plus that 1 exterior GFI. So you guys will have plenty of places to plug stuff in. And then back here in the back, we do have a Maxx Air roof vent. It does have this bubble cover over it, which is that right there, allowing you guys to have that open and not worry about it leaking water in or ripping off that cover if you forget to close it. Trailer weighs 12,015 pounds, so 1215, so it's super lightweight. You will have about an 1,800 pound payload capacity with this unit, and I'll post a full description and price down below, or you guys always go to the website right there. We've got all these trailers online with many pictures and all the pricing right there as well. The website is www.coloradotrailersinc.com, and you guys please give us a call with any questions. 303-688-8485. We are located in Castle Rock, Colorado, just off I-25, and we do ship. So if you guys don't live near us, no worries, just give us a call and we'll get you a shipping quote. Be sure to like and subscribe.